Good morning, Standard 2. Today we're going to be writing capital and small letter M, and we're also going to be joining them together. So on your first line, you're going to go ahead and you can fit 3 on the line. So you're going to start like somewhere in the midpoint, curve up, go straight down, back up on that line, loop around, back up on that same line, loop around and curve out. That's the capital M. The small m is the same way, just that it's shorter and smaller, like half the line. Start your curve, go back up on the same line, loop around, back up on the same line, and then you come out. So you can give me 1, 2, 3 of the capital and small m on the top line, and then you skip a line, and then we're going to go again into the capital M. Should touch the top of the line, right? And then you continue straight into the small m. And then you do that again. Loop around. You will not take your hands off your paper. You will go straight into the small m. So you're going to do one line with them not join, skip a line, and then do another line with them join. You can fit 3 on each line. You complete the entire page and then send me a picture. Bye.